My B school professor always taught me this, but तभी मैंने कभी ध्यान नहीं दिया. And now as a banker, I see many people committing the same financial mistakes in their 20s and 30s. Hello everyone, I am Yashraj. Welcome to Finance. Let's talk about real financial mistakes and not textbook का ज्ञान. जब पहली सैलरी आती है तब बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस आता है कि अब तो लाइफ सेट है. बट दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फेज जहां मैक्सिमम फाइनेंशियल डैमेज हो सकता है. These mistakes don't hurt immediately, but 10 साल बाद it can feel like crime. Let us talk about what are these mistakes. Thinking that savings is enough. Most people think कि सैलरी आ गई, थोड़ा सेव कर लिया, बस. But the reality is savings protects money and investing grows money. So start the SIP from even the first salary. Even 3 to 5,000 is fine because time is more important than the amount. Another mistake is no emergency fund. जॉब है, इनकम आ रही है, इमरजेंसी फंड बाद में बना लेंगे. बट इमरजेंसी तब आती है जब आप प्रिपेयर्ड ना हो. एक जॉब लॉस, एक मेडिकल बिल एंड सडनली द बोरोइंग फ्रॉम योर फ्रेंड्स और क्रेडिट कार्ड्स विल बिकम योर इमरजेंसी फंड्स. इसीलिए ट्राई टू पार्क 6 months के एक्सपेंसेस एज इमरजेंसी फंड. यू कैन पार्क इट इन ईदर द लिक्विड फंड और सेविंग्स. ये इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं है. This is a fund that is ensuring that you are taking your financial decisions without any stress. Next, and one of the most important mistakes is misusing of the credit cards. New salary aate hi, everyone wants to take credit cards, even without getting educated about their usage. Credit cards problem नहीं है, but undisciplined spendings are the problem. जो आपको rewards के चक्कर में 36 to 42% of interest करने लगा सकता है. Worst trade ever. That's why if you use a credit card, make the full payments in every month. Credit card is a tool, not extra income. Another financial mistake is buying big assets emotionally. कार ले ली क्योंकि प्रमोशन मिल गया, होम लोन ले लिया क्योंकि सभी लोग ले रहे हैं. एसेट्स अगर तुम्हारी कैश फ्लो को चोक कर रहा है तो वो एसेट नहीं, लायबिलिटी है. दैट्स व्हाई मेक श्योर कि अगर आप कोई एसेट खरीद रहे हो या लोन ले रहे हो तो योर EMI इज लेस देन 30 to 35% ऑफ योर मंथली सैलरी. Buy when you are stable and not excited. When you start earning, you will be tempted to invest in stock market. You will start chasing tips, Telegram groups. This is another financial mistake. Fast money mindset can create permanent losses. That's why always understand the basics of stock market before investing. Focus initially on the long-term goals and boring investment wins because discipline is more important than your intelligence. And lastly, I would say another big mistake is thinking that अभी तो बहुत टाइम है, अभी तो 25 का हो, 30 के बाद देखते हैं. Compounding doesn't wait for motivation. जो मिस्टेक 20s में चीप होती है, 30s में those mistakes become expensive. And good news is you don't need to be perfect with money. बस इन मिस्टेक्स को अवॉइड कर लो और आज से रेक्टिफाई करना शुरू कर दो. Your future self will really thank you. Save this video because this is not motivation, this is direction. And share this with someone who has just started earning. And I'll see you in the next one.